Igbo ndama ekeleo. Welcome back to my channel, my lovely people. It's your lady Estina. In today's episode, we are going to touch fruits in Igbo. What is fruit? Fruit simply means mkpuru osisi. Mkpuru osisi. Do you care to know what it is all about? Stay tuned. Let's go into it. Welcome back to my channel, my lovely people. It's your lady Estina, guys. In today's episode, we are going to touch fruits in Igbo. Wow, they care to know names of fruits in Igbo, guys. Stay tuned. Let's go and rock it. Oh, let's see. I will be writing the name in English also and in Igbo. Then I will be pronouncing the Igbo. Oh, okay. Stay tuned, guys. Is this the first time of you coming across this channel, guys? You're highly welcome. To my returning subscribers, guys, you know this is always there for you. I heart you all. So stay tuned, guys. Let's see what it is all about. Let's start. Ngwano, ka anyị bido. Oroma, 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 oroma. Ahụ ekere. Ahụ ekere. Ahụ ekere. I'll be showing all the pictures of the fruits in case you don't know anyone or you may be confused about it. I'll be showing the pictures also with the name in English and Igbo. Okwa. Okwa. African breadfruit. Okwa. Okwa. Anyu mmiri. Anyu mmiri. Anyu mmiri. Watermelon. Anyu. Anyu. Pumpkin. Cashew. Cashew. Cashew nut. Cashew. Generally cashew. Cashew. Icheku. Icheku. Maọbụ unu agụ. Unu agụ. Black tramba or velvet strammat. Ụgba. Ụgba maọbụ ụkpaka. Ụgba maọbụ ụkpaka. Just oil bean. Fruit. Fruit. Sea almond. Sea almond. Aki ilu. Aki ilu. Aki ilu. Bitter color. Mkpụrụ anụnụ. Mkpụrụ anụnụ. Anụnụ. Mkpụrụ anụnụ. Blueberry. Blueberry. Mkpụrụ ojii. Mkpụrụ ojii. Mkpụrụ ojii. Blackberry. Mkpụrụ anụnụ is blueberry. Blueberry. And mkpụrụ ojii is blackberry. Ube. Ube mgba. Maọbụ ube okwe. Maọbụ ube ọsa. Nwere ike ịkpọ ya ofu n'ime ihe taa. Ube agba. Mgba. 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 Ube mgba. Maọbụ. Have you watched to this extent? Have you gotten any new name in fruit or have you learned any? Let me know in the comment section. Guys, have you watched to this extent? Consider to click on that like subscription on the like button there, on the thumbs up if you like what you have gotten here, or have you gotten any value? Join the family. Join the family. Let's promote the channel together and help other people to acquire this knowledge and learn more. We are all learning. Okay. And guys, at the end of this video, did you learn any new fruits? Let me know in the comment section. Or you want us to learn more, or any fruit that you know and you want to know the name in Igbo, you can also write it on the comment section. And if you know anyone that I did not mention here and you want other people to learn also about it, guys, drop it in the comment section. Let's learn together. Okay, let's continue. Oroma ilu. Oroma ilu. Lemon. lemon, oroma nkịrịsị, oroma nkịrịsị, lime, lime, unere, unere, banana, banana, ụdara bekee, ụdara bekee, apple, ụdara, ụdara, African star apple, our normal ụdara. Are you missing that fruit already? Aṅara, aṅara, garden egg, garden egg, mmemme, mmemme, pepper fruit, ujiri bekee, ujiri bekee, mango, ubene ma ọ bụ ugbene, ụfọdụ na-akpọ ya ubene or ugbene, that's plum. Mkpụrụ vine, mkpụrụ vine ma ọ bụ mkpụrụ grape, grape. Akụ oyibo ma ọ bụkwa akị bekee, ụfọdụ na-akpọ ya akụ oyibo ma ọ bụ akị bekee, coconut. Nkwụ aba, nkwụ aba, nkwụ aba, pineapple. Shọwanshọp, shọwanshọp, sọsọp, shọsọp. I don't know if I got the pronunciation well in English. Shọwanshọp. Ube, ube, African pear or butterfruit, African pear or butterfruit, ube. Ube oyibo, ube oyibo, avocado, ube oyibo, avocado. Ube ọcha, ube ọcha, pear, pear. Strawberry, berry, strawberry. Guava, 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 guava. Ọkwụrụ bekee, ọkwụrụ bekee, pawpaw, pawpaw. Ọjị, ọjị, kola nut. Ndị ọma, anyị ga-adọbiri ya ebe a. Guys, we are going to end it here. Hope you got something into this episode. Guys, please don't forget to give thumbs up to the video, subscribe to the channel, share to friends, invite someone, tell someone that will tell someone that will tell someone that something is happening here. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for being part of today's episode. I so much appreciate your support in this channel. Let's keep going, my people. Let's keep promoting the channel. Thank you for being part. Thanks for watching. I so much appreciate that. Don't forget to comment in this comment section. It's very, very important. It lets me know that people are really watching. Let me know your thoughts. Do you want me to treat any topic, or are you finding it difficult to know anything in Igbo? Guys, feel free. The comment section is yours. It's ours. It's ours. Let's make use of it and keep the channel going. Thanks for being part of today's lesson. I so much appreciate it. Bye-bye. Love you guys.